this instructional video, I will demonstrate the process of adding or removing a credit or debit card to your Shein account. Begin by launching the Shein application on your device. Ensure that you are already signed in to your account. Upon opening the app, you will be directed to the shopping page. To proceed, select any item that you wish to purchase. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will select this item. After selecting the item you wish to purchase, proceed to add it to the shopping cart. Subsequently, navigate to the cart section. Upon reaching the cart section, select the checkout option. Scroll down to locate the payment method section. From there, you can conveniently add or remove debit or credit cards associated with your Shein account. To add a card, simply select the credit or debit card option and click Continue. At the top of the page, you will find the payment section. Enter your credit or debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. After filling in this information, review all the details and proceed to confirm your order. If you wish to remove your credit or debit card, simply clear all the details provided and click Done. By following these steps, you can effortlessly add or remove credit or debit cards on your Shein account.